Hi, Greg Dorsey here. It's Friday, December 18th. Well, there was no economic data out today to move the needle on stocks. There was also no agreement on battling climate change out of Copenhagen. What we did see in Denmark was President Obama getting snubbed by the Chinese Premier Wen after the U.S. offered only modest carbon emission cuts. The Chinese proposal was to reduce their carbon emissions by 2020 by 40 to 45% per unit of GDP from 2005 levels, whereas our proposal was for cuts of less than half of that. While Wen and Obama did meet face-to-face for nearly an hour, the best the U.S. could do was deem the talks constructive, quote-unquote, which is basically a diplomatic way of saying that the talks went nowhere. Knowing that the U.S. didn't step up with a bigger proposal when Obama showed up, Wen sent his vice foreign minister to a larger closed-door meeting of world leaders from the U.S., U.K., Russia, Japan, and India. Of course, while China has definitely maneuvered to capture the moral high ground on climate change, keep in mind that it is estimated that even with their planned emission cuts, those emissions are still going to be nearly double by 2020 if their pace of economic growth continues to match the past decades' gains. In the Middle East, meanwhile, the Iranians tweaked our national nose, sending troops across the Iraqi border to seize a disputed oil well. The Iranian incursion isn't likely to amount to much, but it does demonstrate their willingness to flex their muscles as the U.S. is looking to reduce its role in Iraq. Turning again to the markets, while trading is likely to be very light ahead of the Christmas holiday next week, there will be lots of economic data released to keep things interesting. GDP, personal income and expenditures, and jobless claims all bear watching. For now, though, enjoy your weekend.